all flathead, really small. Hood struts. So this is the clip here that you need to pry off or out of the way or back. So you can fit a small screwdriver into this area here, and I think you should be able to pry it out. So I'm showing you here because it's going to be too difficult to see it on the vehicle. So I'm going to take both of these out and back them off before we even put it on the vehicle. Clips here. That's the clip. It's the same on both sides. Okay. Don't want to cut myself, so I am going to pry away from my hand in case this slips. See, that right there is out of the way enough to slide it onto the ball. So you see that clamp that has to come up. So we have to do that on all four sides before we can put this onto the vehicle. So let's go ahead and get the clamps or the struts off of the vehicle, and then we'll put these on. Hood strut 1, hood strut 2. Okay, so this one's off. So we're adding a little red grease. See the clamp down there? See that clamp right there? We'll clip that in, and then this should be good to go on this side. We took the pins off, clamps off, and then you gotta take the clamps off the new one. Clamp off. We gotta get this one, we dropped it, and then it should just, we put on like that there. See if you can lift up on it a little bit. Okay. That clicked in. And now we just need to get the clamp back on that one and let it go. Let it go? Yeah. Hood struts are pretty much complete. That's how you change the struts on your hood.